Welcome to this tutorial on how to use an Absa Bank savings account. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of managing your savings account efficiently. First, you need to open an Absa Bank savings account. You can do this by visiting any Absa Bank branch or applying online through their website. You will need to provide the required documentation, such as your identification and proof of address. Once your account is open, you can deposit money into it using various methods, including cash deposits at any Absa Bank branch, electronic transfers from other banks, or mobile banking. It is essential to keep your account details and PIN confidential to prevent unauthorized access. To manage your account, you can use Absa Bank's online banking platform or mobile banking app. These tools allow you to view your account balance, transaction history, and statements. You can also use them to transfer money to other accounts, pay bills, and purchase airtime. Another essential feature of your Absa Bank savings account is the ability to set up debit orders and stop orders. Debit orders allow you to automatically pay bills or make transfers from your account, while stop orders enable you to cancel or modify these orders as needed. To keep your account secure, it is crucial to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to Absa Bank immediately. You should also update your account details and contact information to ensure you receive important notifications and communications from the bank. In addition to these features, Absa Bank offers various savings account options with different interest rates and benefits. It is essential to choose an account that suits your financial needs and goals. You can visit the Absa Bank website or consult with a bank representative to determine the best account for you. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Absa Bank savings account and achieve your financial objectives. Remember to always keep your account information confidential, monitor your account activity regularly, and take advantage of the various features and benefits offered by Absa Bank.